Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a 60-second video on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have TikTok open here. To start making a video, I can tap on the little plus at the bottom center here. And here you can see a couple of different things. At the very bottom you can see 15S is highlighted, and that means 15 seconds. I can go over to 60 seconds and tap on that, and that gives me the option to create a 60-second long video. You can see at the very top here, that little bar, that's your full 60 seconds, and you can see a little line that has your 15-second mark. So in order to create a 60-second video, all you do is just hold down this button for a full 60 seconds, and then it'll create a 60-second video. I'm not going to walk you through that whole process, but say if I created this video and it was all 60 seconds, little check button. And then if you want to adjust it afterwards or trim it, you can tap on the adjust clip at the top right here. And then you can trim it down if you just want to have a shorter video. And now another way that you want to have a 60-second video, I'm just going to hit start over here, is to upload a video that's 60 seconds or longer. And I can just tap the little upload icon at the bottom right here. And then what I'll do is I'll just go into, say, favorites. And then I'm going to select this video. This video is, you can see, 3 minutes and 12 seconds long. So I hit next, and you can see what it did is it selected 59 seconds of this 3-minute video. So that's kind of the max that TikTok will let you have for this video. So I can scrub that shorter, but I cannot make it longer. I can change kind of when that 60 seconds starts and ends, but that'll limit you to the full 60 seconds and then next and do kind of any kind of filters or edits from there. But that's how you make a 60-second long video from a video that you've already taken. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.